In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Gmail. To get started, log into your Monday.com homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main workspace, where you can access all of your boards and workflows. Make sure you're using the correct Monday.com account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Next, choose the board where you want to use Gmail. This is important because integrations in Monday.com are usually connected at the board level, which means the Gmail connection will be set up specifically for the board you select. Take a moment to open the right board so your emails and automation features are connected in the right place. After that, click on Integrate. This is where Monday.com lets you connect outside apps and services to your board. The Integrate section is useful because it helps you bring different tools together, making it easier to automate tasks and keep your work centralized without constantly switching between platforms. Once you're in the integrations area, click on Gmail. This opens the Gmail integration options available for your board. If you don't see it right away, just look through the available app integrations until you find it. Then click on Connect. This starts the authorization process between Monday.com and your Gmail account. At this point, Google will open a sign-in or account selection window so you can choose which Gmail account you want to connect. Now choose the Gmail account that you want to integrate. Be careful to select the correct account, especially if you use multiple Gmail addresses for different purposes, like personal and work email. Picking the right one now will save you time later and make sure your email actions connect properly inside Monday.com. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to review permissions. Here, select All. This allows Monday.com to access the features it needs in order to work with Gmail properly, such as reading relevant email information and helping you compose messages through the integration. Granting all requested permissions helps ensure the connection works smoothly and avoids setup issues later on. Finally, click Continue. Once you do that, your Gmail account will be successfully connected to Monday.com. After the connection is complete, you can go back into your board and start using Gmail-related integration features to streamline communication and improve your workflow. If something doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the page and check that you approved the correct Google account and permissions. That usually resolves most setup issues quickly. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.